Here we are, day 6. I will continue priming. Magic will be doing the chalkboard paint in the kitchen. We're gonna have a fun time with the kids. They're gonna spray paint the light fixtures gold and spray paint the handles black.
While Hubs is priming away on the inside, I've got black spray paint for all of our cabinet handles. I set up this cardboard box with all the handles. I think it's safe to say I've never spray painted either. Okay. Oh, it's so easy. I think I found a new hobby. Wow, that kind of turned out better than I thought. We laid down our tarp. I'm gonna also cut up and open some boxes and put our light fixtures there so we can spray paint those gold. I originally just wanted to paint the faucet black, but Paul is confident he can take out the whole sink. Gonna use our handy dandy spray paint.
I think you done sprayed it to death.
I love it!
Alright, princess, it's dead. It's dead.
No, there are spots. And this is why I'm the spray painter anyway.
It is dead.
I think we got it. It's just drying really fast in the sun.
So here's what it looks like just as that first really brief coating. So we're thinking we're gonna just go all over it again, which will look more like this. So it's very solid white. It's nice and flat, not too shiny. Just looks good. So I think that's what we're going for.
Last layer. It's so boring.
Catches? Sink catches, that's it. Well, it's to go with our Supreme Bling.
As I wash the brushes, I remembered I have one last thing to say today. I think this project is aging me. Look at my white hair.
There, isn't it beautiful? She's aging so gracefully. You'd never guess she's 65. You see a very lovely lady. What's happening tomorrow?
It is a Sabbath unto the Lord.
So we are doing nada.